you're welcome back to this channel. So in today's class, we want to solve this question on matrices. So this is matrix A and here is matrix B. So we were asked to determine A multiplied by B, then the transpose of A multiplied by B. So solution. Now, it is important for me to explain multiplication of matrices for you. If you want to multiply 2 or 3 matrices together, the first thing that you need to check is the column of the first matrix. You go and check the column of the first matrix. So the first matrix here is A, matrix A. So what's the column of this matrix A? 1, that is the vertical line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this matrix A has how many columns? It has 4 columns. 4 columns. So now the second thing that you are going to do is that you go and look for the number of rows of the second matrix. Number of rows of the second matrix. Row, that is the number that lie, those numbers that lie on the horizontal line. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this matrix B has how many rows? It has 4 rows. Now, for you to know whether they can be multiplied together, they have to have the same number of column of the first matrix with the same number of row of the second matrix. You can see here that the number of column here of the first matrix here is 4. The number of row of the second matrix here is 4. That means they can be multiplied together. In case they are not the same, that means you cannot multiply them together. But for this kind of question, they have the same column with the same row of the two matrices. That means we can multiply them together. So now, you now write A multiplied by B is equal to, so write the value of your A of the first matrix, which is 4, 6, 5, 7, 3, 1, 9, 4. Then multiply it by the second matrix, which is 2, 5, 8, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 1, 6. So how do we multiply them together? So you take the row of the first matrix, go and underline it. The row of the first matrix, you are going to multiply it with the first column of the second matrix. The first row of the first matrix multiplied by the first column of the second matrix. So you'll be multiplying each element of each matrix. So that is, you multiply the first element of the first matrix by the first element of the second matrix plus this one. So let me do it so that you can understand it. So it will be equal to, so 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2. Then plus 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8. Plus 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3. Plus 7 multiplied by minus 1. 7 multiplied by minus 1. So you are done with that one. So you are still on the first row of the first matrix. So we are multiplying it by the second column of the second matrix. So 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by minus 4. 5 multiplied by minus 4 plus 7 multiplied by 6. 7 multiplied by 6. So we are done with that one. So you go to the second row of the first matrix. So you do the same thing for the first column of the second matrix as we did before. So now the 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by minus 1, 4 multiplied by minus 1. So after doing that one, now you are still on the second row. So you multiply it by the second column of the second matrix. So 3 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 9 multiplied by minus 4, 9 multiplied by minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 6. Now, the next thing is that you have to simplify. So A multiplied by B is equal to, so what is 4 multiplied by 2? That is 8. Plus 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48. Plus 48. Then plus 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Plus 7 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 7. Minus 7. So we are here now. 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Plus 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. 5 multiplied by minus 4, minus 20. 7 multiplied by 6, 42. Plus 42. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Plus 1 multiplied by 8, 8. So plus 8. Plus 9 multiplied by 3, 27. So plus 27. 4 multiplied by minus 1, minus 4. So plus multiplied by minus 4 gives us minus 4. So here is minus 4. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. This side. Plus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 plus 2. 9 multiplied by minus 4, that is minus 36. Minus 36 multiplied by plus gives us minus 36. So minus 36 here. Plus 4 multiplied by 6, 24. So plus 24. So our A multiplied by B is equal to 8 plus 48, that is 56. 56 plus 15, that is 71. 71, here we have plus multiplied by minus 7, and that is minus 7. So 71 minus 7, that is 64. So here is 64. Here, you can see that we have plus 20 here, we have minus 20 here, so they have cancelled each other. So we are left with 12 plus 42, and that is 54. Here, 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 minus 4, 10. 10 plus 27, that is 37. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 24, that is 41. 41 minus 36, That is 5. So the answer here is 5. So our A multiplied by B is equal to 64, 54, 37, 5. Now, there's something that I need to tell you. You can easily know the order of your answer even without doing it. You quickly know, so that whenever you are making mistake, you quickly know. So here, the order of matrix A is 2 by 4. That is row. How many rows? 2 rows.
2 rows.
Then 4 columns. So the order of matrix A is equal to order 2 by 4. So I want to multiply it by the order of matrix B. What's the order of matrix B? That is 4 by 2. So how many rows? 4 rows, 2 columns. So that is 4 by 2. So what we're going to do is that, I told you that the first thing that you go and study is the column of the first matrix, then the row of the second matrix. If they are the same thing, then you cancel them. So we are left with order 2 by 2. So this is our. So the order of your answer is 2 by 2. Can you see? So you can easily know before doing it at all. So after getting our A multiplied by B, so they ask us to find transpose of A multiplied by B. So what is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix is when row and column of a given matrix are interchanged. That is, when the row of a given matrix becomes the column of the other matrix. So now, here, our AB here is 64, 54, 37, something. So if we want to find a transpose now, this row, the first row, will now be the column of the transpose. So 64, 56 will now be arranged as vertical instead of horizontal. So we have 64, 54. Also 37 and 5. So this row, this horizontal will be arranged vertically now. So to be 37 and 5. So that is the transpose of AB. So that is it. I told you that if you want to multiply matrices, they have to be of the same order. If they are not of the same order, that means they cannot be multiplied together. Then transpose of a given matrix will be when the row and column of that matrix are interchanged. So till I see you in the next class, thank you, bye-bye.